Welcome back to Pedal Savings. My name is Rosie. I am a cash budgeter that uses the cash envelope system for her finances. Today we will be stuffing $138. Let me see if this is in the... Okay, all good. Okay, so let's count the cash we will be stuffing today. Let me get my calculator. So 20, 40, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay. So I know that looks weird, but I did put $25 in gas already. So plus the 25 equals 138. So we won't be stuffing gas because I've already done it already. Let's count how much we have in the wallet. So spending, I had 15. We spent it all. Eating out, I had 15. We spent it all. Groceries, we didn't really go get groceries this week because we were just eating out. I had a market, I had Galentine's, we had Valentine's Day. So we just basically went out to eat this whole week. So this grocery money will be rolled over into next week. So 20, 40, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $49 is going into groceries. I will put this back here. Then gas, I spent it all. Buffer had 10 and it has 10 now. So this money will be going into savings challenges. So now let's fill up my wallet. Spending is going to get 5. I'm gonna use this crusty dusty 5. Eating out is going to get 5 as well. I mostly use like the 2 bent to see the light anymore. 5s because they're just going back to the store anyway. So groceries is going to get this leftover money plus a 10. So, oh, let me get my pen to put how much I've put the balance. Oh my gosh, I seriously hate this highway right now. I think it's because like it's time for everybody to go home now, and so they're just rushing on the highway. So let's count how much we have. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9. So we have 59 in here. Yeah, I decided anytime I have leftover in groceries, it's just gonna be rolled over to the next week. Okay, gas, like I said, I've spent it, so it got 25. All I know is that it got 25 already. Okay, buffer. So let's do a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It's so funny. Last Sunday I did a market, but I forgot to put money into the Rosie Art Studio envelope for change. And I had to use my buffer money because someone gave me a 5 and they needed change. So that's why I had 2 5s in here. Okay, so that has 10. And my wallet is done. Now let's get into my high priority binder. So wedding, we're going to do 24. So do 20, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now wedding has 20, 40, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50, 55, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, this one. So 218 plus 24 equals 259. Now it has 259. Let's put this money in here. And we won't be coloring in one of these since we only did half this week. So apartment is going to get half of the 50, I think it's 58, right? Yes, half of the 58. Yeah. So 20, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, and 9. So now it has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, that's 100, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So it has 145. Oh, oops. Okay. Okay, let's put in to this how much we added. 29. So 145. About to pull out my calculator. I was like, is that correct? So I need to put back the $20 that I had in here. So, oh, so it's getting 5 today. Okay, so now it has, should originally have 45, but I did take $20, but I want to put back the $20, so yeah. Because I actually spent the money from gifts and date night instead of this money. So yeah, that's why I gotta put it back. So I'm not filling, so that's why it has 45 instead of 25. Okay, but let me fill in the tracker. Did blue for his. Okay. Emergency gets a 5 as well. So it's got 20, 30, 35, $40. Then this one, $40. And this one was the green. I think it was this green. Yeah. Okay, so that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Awesome. Okay, beauty is getting 2, 1, and 2. So now beauty has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $8. Okay. Okay, so 218 plus 2, 8. In the future, I want to start making these like putting like $5 increments in each one. Meds, we're skipping. Toiletries gets $2. So toiletries has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I feel like that would be a good idea. To do increments of 5 in all of them. Okay, wardrobe is getting 2 as well. So it has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Um, 2/18 plus 2 is 15. I'm actually going to take some of the ones in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that I could use it for my savings challenges. Then now let's get into the savings challenges, because we're not filling up my low priority binder. Okay, so 2025 is gonna get a 5. It's gonna get a 5 plus another 5 to do the 10. So now it has 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80. So let's, totally forgot to do tracker. So I have 40, so 59 left over. Okay. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. Has 80 now. I was taking pictures with my 2025 tracker for my coffee, and I put it somewhere and I gotta fill it out again. So let's jump to Stupid Cupid. So Stupid Cupid is going to get 2, but 1, 2, 3, 4. That's gonna be for Petals, like the love letters. Let's do another $2. So now it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. So let's fill this out. We get to fill in 2 of them. Sorry. Okay, there it goes. Okay, Petal Savings. Oh, not Petal Savings. Flower Power. Petal Savings is my YouTube name. So Flower Power is gonna get the 5. And then let's do $1 as well. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we actually put 6. Now it has $12. So let's fill out 1 leaf. Then let's do the rest of the wrap. Okay. My fiance just got home. I'm gonna let that dry. Okay, let's put this money in here. And then love letters. It's gonna get $2 plus another 2. So now it has $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. And then change this into 4. And let's color this in. So, gonna wait for this to dry to put it back in the thing. Okay, that's going to be it for today. I will put these back into the binder once they dry, because as you could tell, I got some of the blue on me. Okay, that's gonna be it for today. We'll see you guys next time for next week's cash stuffing. Bye!